morning, all of you. Yesterday, we learned about abacus. So, today, we are starting a new topic about Roman numerals. So, we will know what is Roman numerals. Roman numerals are a Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome. Remained the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe. Well into the late Middle Ages, numbers in these systems are represented by combination of letters from the Latin alphabet. In ancient days, the Romans used numerals differently. In ancient days, प्राचीन समय में रोमन्स जो है न्यूमरल्स अंकों का अनेक तरीकों से जो है प्रयोग करते थे. रोमन न्यूमरल्स आर फॉर्मेड बाय यूजिंग द 7 सिंबल्स. रोमन्स न्यूमरल को हम 7 सिंबल के द्वारा जो है समझ सकते हैं. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Roman numerals. Students, here are written Roman numerals and here are written value in Hindu Arabic numerals. So this is called Hindu Arabic numerals and this is called Roman numerals. As you are looking, I represent 1, V represent 5 and X represent 10, L represent 50, C represent 100 and D represent 500 and next M represent 1000. Students, now look how 1 to 40 are written using Roman numerals. Now we will know how can we write Roman numerals from 1 to 40. Understand? Just look. Here we will make 2 columns. In the first column, Hindu Arabic numerals and next second column, Roman numerals. Hindu Arabic numerals and next second column, Roman numerals. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Students, you are looking numbers, Hindu Arabic numerals 1 to 10. Just you are looking Hindu Arabic numerals 1 to 10. Now you will write in Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numerals. Now you will write in Roman numerals 2 Indo-Arabic numerals. Just look. 1 is represent I. We will represent 2 I and 3 I, 4 IV, 5 V and 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 V triple I, 9 IX, 10 X. After it, eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We will represent 11. We will represent Indo-Arabic numerals 11 to in Roman numerals. Just look. X I, XII 12 and 13, X triple I 14, XIV 15, XV 16, XVI and 17, XVI 18, XVI 19, XIX and 20, XX. Students, you understood 1 to 20 and next 21 to 40. Twenty-one, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Now we will write Roman numerals to 21 or Indo-Arabic numerals. So X, X, I. The Roman numeral of 21 is X, X, I. And the Roman numeral of 22, X, X, I, X, triple X. Sorry for that. XX, triple I, XX, IV, XX, V, 26, XX, VI, and 27, 27, XX, VII, 28, XX, VII, and 29, XXIX. The result of 29 and 30, triple X. Next, 31 to 40, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Right? Triple X, I, triple X, I and triple X, triple X, IV, triple X, V, 36, triple X, VN, triple X, VII, triple X, VIII, triple X, IX, and 40 represented by L. We represent 40. We can represent Hindu Arabic numerals 40 with L. So, students, today's our topic was for numerals. So, next day I will come with new chapter, new topic. Thank you very much.